and welcome back. I am Rob Hufford with the 55th Civil Engineering Squadron, and this is your monthly update for the Offutt Runway construction project. We are happy to report this month that we are in the red zone with only a few tasks left. Some of those tasks include finishing connecting the in-pavement airfield lighting and airfield pavement markings. Other tasks include demobilization of the concrete plant to include removing unused aggregate, as well as final grade and seeding. And most importantly, we are still on time and on budget.